Bear, do you want this? Okay, the reason we came in here, it's bath time at the Eshman house. Bear was first, and now it's Mrs. Chrissy's.
Chrissy loves it, as you can well tell.
Chrissy is so happy about it.
This is exciting. First we have to get you all wet, Chrissykins. Yeah, we get you all wet. Then we get the shampoo. Ooh, that's so cold. You should have heated it up.
Oh, I meant to stop and look at a patch. Patch for the eye. I love you, darling. Can I get a look at that pretty face? Sweet face. Okay, all you people out there who are looking for a good wife, keep your eyes off this one. She is taken. Oh, poor puppy. Poor little puppy. You're pretty good. Now we're teaching this puppy. Chrissy, she loves to take a bath. She's not sure she knows that yet, but she will.
Yeah, I might be.
Let's see what Bear Boy thinks. There's one guilty puppy.
You're skinny. We need to feed you more. You look like a little fur ball with all that fur on you.
Does this look like a malnourished? Somebody fix this bulb up here.
I just turned it on. Somehow another one of us to turn it off.
How does the dog react when he gets soap in his eyes? We're about to see here.
Go please. Yeah.
Can this camera catch it, please? I have to catch another feed later on the counter. I want to experiment with my macro. Macro, that's it. The running water. How to give a puppy a bath. This segment of training is brought to you by the Edenwood Inhumane Society.
You gotta get it out. There we go. Still, it's so much easier. Okay, let's rinse. No, let's not rinse.
How to spend a Sunday afternoon.
See your tail stand straight up.
See that skinny tail? She must be a part of the rat family. Okay, we're out in the front yard. We're in an experimentation period here with our little thing. We wanted to get the pets and people off this grass right here. And we use this fence and it's kind of chintzy, but we feel it's going to be in the trial period here. We just love these plants right here. Anyone sees this video has any advice, please send in there. Also, we have this garage door, and every once in a while I get stuck. And I was watching a video or something the other day where they talked about Isn't it beautiful? Little bird chirping in the background. We asked him to give us some background music. Sunday, last Sunday in March. Bears went inside. Let's see here. Here's another. Okay, let's walk around here. End of the month, this is going to be some beautiful stuff here. The dogwood tree. And there's something. I don't remember seeing a azalea bush this full. Here's an azalea bush. Our little house on 301 South Eden. We must have 20 pine trees. Squirrels, I think, sometimes come down and here's the master of the king of the place here. See the bottom of the crocuses there, whatever she called that tree there. They bloomed what seemed to be the, when winter was just sort of getting to gnaw at you, and it was up in early spring when we were about tired of winter. Pop, this tree just comes forth, and it really was a beautiful. It has a few blooms on it, but not many. of our neighbors in the background.
Come back.
Can't tell if this is focused or not. This is on this macro focus stuff.